Hey folks, Dr. in the Dungeon, and hey, I'm doing a little short video here. I want to encourage people to get on Patreon, and so I'm going to upload a short clip of Forklift Mayhem. I bought that new forklift. You've seen the videos, and I used it for the first time, and things did not go as planned. That thing has one speed, no brakes, and yeah. So anyhow, I posted a very short clip here, and then a link in the description to my Patreon page. And for a limited time, you can do a free Patreon link, and you'll have access to that video. Fact is, I'll make everything on my page available for a short time. There's not a lot there at the moment, but I want to get people even on the free side of that. And again, this channel is about building community. I'm sharing all the different things that I do. I watch a lot of other makers, and I learn from what they do. And I want to encourage that type of interaction. So again, this is just a short video to kind of encourage you to go to my Patreon page, join for free. If you're feeling generous, I've got different tiers. The lowest tier is $3 a month, and $3 a month doesn't sound like much, but it adds up, and every little bit counts. And right now, everything's just coming out of hide, and so a little bit of Patreon membership certainly wouldn't hurt me, and can allow me to do more videos, better videos, and stuff that you hopefully will appreciate. So here's that short clip, and we'll see you on the flip side. Please like and subscribe. Hey folks, Dr. in the Dungeon. That was one of the more sketchier things I've ever done.